Hello everyone, it's me again, Jet, and in this tutorial, we'll create a Bible-verse mapping printable in Adobe InDesign. Not only will this help you stay organized, but it's also a beautiful way to visually represent your faith journey. So grab your laptop and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative printable pages and share your thoughts in the comments below. Okay, so now I'm on Adobe InDesign and I'm using A4 size on this tutorial. You can also go bigger or smaller than this size. Now let's get started. I go hit type tool and here just type verse and maybe 40 or 50 and then make it 40, and here I'm going to use times. You can use whatever font that you like. And now I'll just duplicate this. Easier way is to hold the Option or the Alt key on your keyboard and then just drag the element or any element, images, fonts, whatever. And then let's change this to mapping. We'll change this to 0 and maybe 30. We'll change the font to maybe this one, kind of like that. All right. I think we can make this bigger like that. All right, so now go to your rectangle tool and then create rectangle over here and change the point to 5. You can change the color also to whatever color you want or you like, and then I'm going to change also the inside color or the background color of this and make it a little less bright or dark. And then I'm going to copy this one again, change this to book, maybe 12 is okay. Right, okay, and then I go over here middle and set the back, so I'm gonna send this one to back so it shows here. All right, then you put the book there. Now highlight these two and then hold Option or Alt key again and just drag this. Now we'll change this to chapter. There you go, and copy one of those rectangles, a huge one. Then this one here, the node, yellow node, you can change the arch or the roundness of the rectangle. I'm gonna make this a little bit thicker like so. So here you can put your scriptures or your verse, and then again we can also copy this again. Should be in the middle, that. Okay, and let's see, move this here. I'll copy this one. I'll say keyword study. Okay, then just reach it like that. Oh wait, we'll do it this way and then put it in the middle. And I have it over here, it's the middle of that. However, I'm going to put a background color in it, which is white. If I do it like this, okay, and maybe no, let's print this one. I'll change this. There you go, and change this to white. All right, a little bit there. I think that's the middle of it. Let's see, white. All right, there it is. Make this a little bit thicker. We make everything thicker. Okay, we get 2. So it's consistent. We'll do it this way. Okay. Now I can copy this over here. We'll make this summary. Oops. Alright. Now I go to table and I can create a table. Column. Maybe 10. Okay. It's in the middle of it. Okay, and then distribute rows, and I highlight this and go over here and here. So this one, I don't want any outline, so I'm just gonna change this to none. There I have it. Then make this centered. Okay. All right. Then you can also change the color of this, but make sure that you chose these 3 lines over here. And change this to that. Okay, so now I'm going to copy everything over here. Say, who wrote this? This. Make it centered. Okay, we'll just delete that and just copy this. I'll just copy this one. Okay. Right, and we'll change this to when and why was it written. Okay. And now I can cut everything over here. Let's say, who was it written for? And by the way, you can always change the titles. And here, I'll go here. And then I'll just add some rows. Maybe 2. There we go. So now I have that. And it's all good. If you preview it, just hit W on your keyboard and you can see everything. You can always change the colors anytime you want. Okay. And that's it. Oh, and by the way, you can also put any images or background colors if you like. So for example, let's just make a background color here. And we'll make sure that it's actually a little bit lighter. And then make sure that it's arranged or sent to back. There you go. Now I think this one's, make sure everything is distributed properly. Okay, there you have it. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative journaling tutorials. And most importantly, share this video with your friends who love Bible journaling. Thanks for watching. See ya!